Hi, I'm Molly. I am the owner and operator of Molly Knuth Media, and I'm the parent of students here at Aquin Catholic Elementary School in Cascade, Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to purchase Scrip. It's this program that's been created in order to help you get tuition credit while also making your everyday purchases. In addition, a percent of each sale of Scrip goes back to the school to help them fulfill programs, supply classrooms, and operate on a day-to-day basis. So we're going to show you how you can make purchasing Scrip as easy as 1, 2, 3. Come along. Step 1. Visit one of our local banks, either Fidelity Bank and Trust or Onward Bank and Trust in Cascade. Head inside and ask one of the friendly tellers to help you with a Scrip purchase. Step 2. Fill out the Scrip form. Choose from one of the businesses on the list and decide how much Scrip you would like to purchase. Step 3. In exchange, the tellers will supply you with gift cards that you can go on and make your everyday purchases with. 1% of each purchase will go back to your account as tuition credit. The rest of the percentage will be donated back to school. Helping our school can really be as easy as 1, 2, 3 when you purchase Scrip.